In this video, we will check how to change the payment method on Spotify. First of all, let's navigate to and open a web browser that you use for searching instead of the Spotify app. Once you're inside, use the search bar to find Spotify and hit search to open the web page. Once you get the search results, find and open the Spotify web version on your mobile screen. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, look for the Login option at the top right and complete the process. After you're logged in, tap the gear icon at the top right to open a new page. From there, open the first option called View Account. This will open your account details in a new tab. Once it's open, scroll down until you see the payment section. Here, find Payment Method and tap it to open. Here, you will see the payment method that's already added. To change it, tap on the Add option. Enter the required details depending on your location, such as PayPal, Klarna, or credit card. Also, check Save Card for future orders and tap Save. Once the new payment method has been added, select it for your future payments. And that's it.